Today, we're gonna make edible Play-Doh. Regular Play-Doh you can't really eat, but this Play-Doh only has two ingredients: confectioner's sugar and frosting. Confectioner's sugar is granulated sugar that's pulverized into a powder and added with cornstarch. And you know what frosting is. Let's get started. I just got this new apron for my birthday and I am so excited to put it on. First, we need 2 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. Now, measure out 1 cup of frosting. Make sure you measure because 1 can is 1.5 cups and we only need a cup. This is where the fun part comes in. Once your Play-Doh kind of looks like Parmesan cheese, you can take away your spatula and get it there with your hands. This is a process called kneading. You can do it with dough, pie crusts, or Play-Doh. Once all the small bits of confectioner's sugar are put into your dough, you can remove the bowl and move it onto your surface. We finally have our Play-Doh. Remember, it's edible, so if you eat it, it'll taste just like frosting. We're gonna add some food coloring. Our edible Play-Doh. You can store it in a sealed container. And if it gets too dry, just add a drop of water and bring it back to life. I made a pumpkin. What are you gonna make?